Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my online class. This is Firoz Sheikh and today we will deal with new chapter understanding quadrilateral. Now what do you know about quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon made up of four line segments. Now question arises, what is polygon? See, polygon, polygon, it is a closed, you can say curve or figure, closed curve or figure made up of line segment. Closed figure means suppose you put a pencil on a board or a plain paper and start to draw any figure, and without lifting your hand you ends to the starting point, then it is a closed figure. Like this is a closed figure. Okay, this is a closed figure. Okay, but if you keep this thing open, this is not a closed one, this is an open figure. See, so the figure which are made up of line segment, only those are known as what? Polygon. For example, like this, or like this, and many more shapes are there. Okay, to form a polygon, minimum requirements of sides are three. Three sides form a triangle, four sides make a quadrilateral, five sides make a pentagon. In this way, six sides will hexagon, seven side heptagon, eight side octagon, nine side nonagon, 10 side decagon. These are the classification of all the polygons. Okay. Now we will talk about the diagonals of a polygon. Diagonals of a polygon means what? A line segment. Let's take an example. Suppose a pentagon. A line segment which joins or which connects non-consecutive vertices. See, this is a vertices because two lines meets at a point. Suppose A, B, C, D, E. These all are vertices, and when we talk about non-consecutive means what? A, B are adjacent, then C. So A and C are what? Non-consecutive. So a line segment joining a non-consecutive vertex is known as what? Diagonal. Same case B and D, or you can say C and E, or EB, like this way, or AD. In this way we call these are what? Diagonals. Okay. Now we will deal with types of polygon. Types of polygon. Okay. So polygon, see, concave polygon. Okay. Convex polygon. Okay. Regular polygon and irregular polygon. Now question arises in our mind that what is a concave polygon? We know polygon means it will be a closed figure and made up of line segment, but when we talk about concave, we are talking about the angles. Convex, here also we are talking about the angles. Now in this case of example, concave polygon, when one of the interior angle, suppose if I draw a figure like this, these are what? The interior angles. Okay. So one of the interior angle must be greater than 180 degree. So can I draw like this? This is C, less than 180. This is less than 180. This is less than 180. But this is more than 180. So this angle. That's why this type of polygon is known as what? Concave polygon. But in case of convex, all angles, whether it is 3 angle or 4 angles or 5 angles, whatever may be the number of angles, it should be less than 180 degree. Let's take an example. Suppose triangle, square, pentagon, all these are what? Convex polygon. Okay. Now when we talk about regular polygon, what do you understand by regular? Regular means when all angles, suppose all angles are equal. For three-sided regular polygon, it must be equilateral triangle. All angles as well as sides are equal. For four-sided figure, it should be a square. All angle as well as all sides are equal. For 5 side, we will use the word regular pentagon. For 6 side, we will use the word regular hexagon. It means for a regular polygon means all angle as well as side should be equal. And irregular is very easy. Opposite of regular means it's not necessary that the angles as well as the side should be equal. Maybe you can see a trapezium like this. Okay, trapezium. Or any irregular six-sided figure like this. One more side like this means the angles as well as sides is not mandatory that it should be equal. So these are the types of polygons. Now one more characteristic is that angle sum property. We know that sum of the angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. But when we talk about quadrilateral, that's because we are dealing with this chapter quadrilateral. When we talk about quadrilateral means a four-sided figure, okay, made of line segment. Suppose A, B, C, D. The angle sum property, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Okay, it should be 360 degree. In case of triangle, it was 180 degree. In case of quadrilateral, it is how much? 360 degree. If we add all the angles of a quadrilateral, it may be regular or irregular, whatever, the angle, the sum of the angles always ends with 360 degree.